आप चला रही है कृष्णा कृष्णा
हम इंडिया का है। मेरा पेपर तो इंडिया का है।
Please charge as soon as possible. Please charge as soon as possible. Please charge as soon as possible. Please charge as soon as possible.
जय हिंद।
Admiral, please charge as soon as possible.
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे में आपका स्वागत, अभिनंदन। I think it's a very proud moment for all of us that most of us are born in an independent India. But I think it's very important to also recognize how tough it has been to be independent. तो इसके लिए हमारे सभी को कर्तव्य रहता है कि इसका मर्यादा पूरी तरह से करें। This is also very unique because we have already started celebrating the Azad Ki Amrut Mahotsav. Several activities have been already initiated throughout the country, and हमारा institute में भी ये अभी से चालू हो गया है। This has been a
difficult year and पूरा देशवासी के लिए ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण year भी आगे वाला होने वाला है। So how to recover from this difficult time? So I think there's been overemphasized that to celebrate 75 years of independence, we are going to have a lot of activities in coming years. आज से next year independence तक whole country will be celebrating in different formats. This is a research
organization. We would like to celebrate this with our different activities. Having said that, ये भी बहुत important रहता है कि हमारा social life कैसे हम आगे ले जा सकते हैं। तो सबका विकास, सबका साथ, ये भी एक नारा लिया है। तो सबके साथ मिलके हमको आगे जाना है। This is very important that we all shake our hands together, irrespective of our origin, religion, and so on. So I'm very happy कि although it has been a very difficult year, but most of our activities scientific activities at least has been performing in its full strength. हमारा observatory has been running continuously. I think ये हमारे सबके लिए बहुत ही एक गर्व के विषय है. And आगे वाला साल में हमारा बड़ा important telescope inauguration का है. You know that the 4-meter ILMT, which is going to be a unique facility in the world, is going to be inaugurated. And hopefully, from the center also somebody very senior level will come and inaugurate that telescope. Apart from the other scientific activities, I'm very happy कि हमारा सब साथियों मिलके काफी सारे social activities हम लोग campus के अंदर जितने भी हो सकता है social distancing maintain करके हम आगे लेके जाने के सोच रहे हैं. अभी देख रहे हैं green initiatives also have been initiated. अभी हम लोग ये आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं काफी सारे सोलर सेल लगाया हुआ है कैंपस के अंदर के और भी free from garbage and all that. It's very important. Social interaction जितना भी ज्यादा हो सकता है. आज आप देख रहे हैं कि ओलंपियंस के लिए कितने सारे acceptance है country में. So I would like to also celebrate our sports activities in a big way in this coming year. So we would like to have several competitions amongst the students and faculties and the staff members throughout the year to celebrate our participation. I think sports is very important for our health and mental health as well. So सोशल एक्टिविटी ये कैंपस में हम लोग कैसे आगे लेके जा सकते हैं, इसके लिए सब साथियों का contribution is very important. I will be personally very happy to participate in whatever way you feel I can. And मेरा ख्याल से ये particularly ये जो साल गया है हम लोग को सब घर के अंदर बंद रखे थे. अभी थोड़ा hopefully time will come and we will go out and meet with each other more. I have not been able to do that after I joined this institute. I'm sincerely hoping कि ये मौका मुझे दिया जाएगा and आप सभी को ये मुझे मौका दीजिए आप सबसे मिलने के लिए. So I think with having these few social words, I'm looking forward to the coming year. There are major activities throughout the year you will see will happen in scientific domain, in public outreach domain. This is a very important exercise also, that we are at the end of the day paid by the taxpayer. So हमको taxpayers को भी कुछ करना है. And there are major efforts. I think you have all heard that we may get involved with a much bigger structure. So
ओहो